Hi, I'm Tom with the FCB Lounge channel, and in this video I will talk about the state of the BIM objects library at the beginning of the year 2026. The BIM library is a library of objects which you can use readily in your FreeCAD projects, and it's part of the FreeCAD default installation, and you can access it on the BIM tools here at the right. You have to click this drop down because there are several tools here, and you will choose the objects library. Once it fires up, it will load the library contents. So if you have a slower internet connection, it might take a while to load. But then you've got categories here from which you can choose. So I will choose industrial design, chairs, and I will select the modern chair and choose insert. And this inserts a chair object into my project, and I can work with this object in my project. So I can transform it, move it like so, and then it's placed in my project. Now, as a concept, this seems really nice, but the problem is that the quality of the objects inside of the BIM library varies a lot. So let's take a deeper look, but first I recommend you to not insert the models from BIM library straight into your project. First, place it into a new empty project, and then take a look at it whether it's good enough for you to place it into your project. So I will fire up the browser library. There are several categories. I will again go to the industrial design, where I find some models which might be useful because they are quite simple. So let's say this double bed, if I insert it into the project, you can see that it's very simple model which can be used in the project. If I will close this one and open a new one, and I will go again to the industrial design, you can also see, and if I load up this second bed, you can see that with some of the models you got immediately problems that it's just showing the wireframe. So I have to edit turn the visibility on. So the models in the BIM library are created by volunteers, so that's why their style and their quality varies a lot. So if I go to the architectural parts and again go to the bedroom and choose the beds, this is created by Francesco Rosa, who created quite a lot of objects in the library. But you can see here that it's a very complex model. It's really nice, but very complex. I mean, I can still have here the variable set with all of the properties. So, I mean, you can see here. So if I change the length or the width to 2000, you can see the models are really nice, but quite heavy and complex. And usually you with these models from Francesco, you should read the documentation on how to work with them, because sometimes it's not that easy. Now, some of the models from the library may also throw an error immediately after the import. So I think this one was throwing error. So you might also encounter that. But you can find some useful models. If I open again a new project, like what I like is here in the hydro equipment, this wall hung toilet. Maybe this is a really nice simple model that you can use straight up in your project, probably without many problems. And what is really impressive is again what Francesco Rosa created, these HVAC objects, which are parametric and very complex, and you can also enable and disable flange, change the width and the height. You can add insulation, so they are very detailed and very parametric. But since FreeCAD 1.0, these objects throw warnings every time you recompute the project, so that's not very nice. Now there's a video on Francesco's channel showing how to create HVAC system using these library objects, so I will link that in the description box below. But overall, I did not find many library objects which would be useful in my projects, because the quality varies a lot, and I would prefer to have just some simple models that I could use. And you can see some of these models are really complex and you have to learn how they work, and they are also quite heavy, and some of them maybe are just too simple, and some of them just don't work. Maybe they were not updated to the latest FreeCAD version. So the problem with the BIM library is the curation of the models inside of the library, because it's a volunteer project, and actually curating architectural parts library is very labor intensive. Even though it may not look like that, it is very labor intensive. So I encourage you to check the BIM library, check the objects there, whether some may be useful for you. But overall, I found only a few models that I could use in my projects. But you can clearly see that some of the models are quite impressive, and it took a long time to create them. And I actually learned quite a lot of tricks, especially looking at models from Francesco, because this is really like high level FreeCAD modeling. So thank you goes to all of the people who contributed and created models into the BIM library. I hope this was useful, and I will see you in the next one.